Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research is also known as JIPMER. The exam notification is released usually around the first week of March, and the exam itself is held in the first week of June. This exam is held as an online computer-based exam. The exam is held in two shifts, morning and afternoon shift. In this video, we will tell you about the eligibility criteria for JIPMER exam. The minimum age that the candidate can be to be eligible to appear in this exam is 17 years. As for the educational qualification, the candidate must have secured at least 60% in 10th and 12th standard. Since it's a medical course, the candidate must be from a medical background. The application fee is different for different categories. For general category, it is Rs 1500. For SC or ST, it is 1200 rupees. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sari, and we at Youth for Work will now be discussing the exam pattern for JIPMER exam. The total time allocated is 150 minutes. JIPMER MBBS is an objective type question examination. There will be 200 questions. 1/3 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. The language of the paper is in English or in Hindi. The sections covered in the examination are physics, chemistry, biology, and general knowledge. There will be 60 questions in each section. However, there are 20 questions in general knowledge section. Now let us talk about some tips and tricks for JIPMER exam. As there is negative marking, try to do only those questions of which you are sure of. Revise your concepts thoroughly. Read newspaper daily so that you can score well. Also, don't forget to do prep tests which will help you to know your strengths and weaknesses.